Frieda Jamin Ferber. AI video generation solution is AI visual generators or AI educational for educational and cinematic purposes.
Every grain of refined sugar begins here, deep inside endless fields of sugarcane. Industrial harvesters cut thousands of tons of cane with incredible speed and precision.
Before transport, every batch is checked for freshness and sugar content.
Once loaded, the raw cane begins its fast journey to the processing plant. Timing is critical because fresh cane must be processed quickly to preserve quality.
At the refinery, industrial systems operate around the clock without stopping.
Each delivery is carefully weighed before entering the extraction line.
Powerful hydraulic systems unload raw cane within minutes. From here, automated conveyors guide the cane deeper into the factory. The cane is shredded to expose every possible drop of sugar-rich juice. Heavy rollers squeeze the cane with immense pressure to release raw juice.
Unused fibers are removed and recycled for energy production. Machines continuously separate unwanted material from the liquid. Cleaning removes soil, dust, and unwanted plant residue before extraction. Clarification removes impurities hidden inside the raw juice. Even waste material becomes fuel that powers the refinery itself. Controlled heat prepares the juice for concentration. The concentrated syrup now carries the foundation of future sugar crystals. The extracted liquid now moves toward purification. Water slowly disappears, leaving behind concentrated sugar syrup. Inside vacuum chambers, sugar crystals begin to grow. The leftover molasses is recovered for additional industrial use. Fresh crystals continue toward industrial drying systems.
Millions of sugar crystals are stored before packaging begins.
Computer-controlled systems keep production stable every second.
Technicians monitor crystal size with extreme precision. Automated screens ensure every crystal meets specification. Automation moves thousands of kilograms with remarkable efficiency.
Careful drying prevents clumping and preserves texture. Centrifugal force separates sugar crystals from heavy molasses. Advanced scanners detect even the smallest imperfections. The final polishing stage creates the bright white finish consumers recognize.
Every batch is tested to meet strict industrial standards.
Precision systems measure every package with exact accuracy.
Precise measurements ensure consistent quality worldwide.
Millions of kilograms of refined sugar are prepared for global distribution. From refinery floors to freight trucks, the process moves with relentless efficiency. The refinery never truly sleeps, as production continues day and night. After days of processing, the finished sugar finally leaves the plant. Modern sugar factories combine agriculture, chemistry, and automation on a massive scale. And this is how modern factories produce refined white sugar from start to finish. Real industry, real engineering, real factory production.